Hi, welcome back. We're at lesson 27, multiplication as repeated addition, and we're going to focus a little bit on elapsed time. When we are having groups of numbers that are repeating, here's a situation, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. We have a couple of options. We could add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, but that could get kind of tiresome and it really is a pain. We can also do something that's a little easier and will help kind of streamline your math. I can look at this and say, I've got 5 groups of 6. And I can say, this equals 5 times 6. Or I can say 5 times 6. Or we can say 6 times 5. And rather than having to add each number up, once we know that this is a multiplication problem, we can think of our math facts and we automatically know, ta-da, 30. True story. I worked in a school once where I was giving a test and I looked over and it was on the test, it was something like, Samantha has 9 garbage bags and each garbage bag has 3 items in it. And this girl was taking and adding all of these up. And I was like, honey, there's an easier way. But she was adding them all up and it was taking her a long time. Instead of saying, you know what, 9 times 3 gives us 27. So once you know this trick, it will make your life easier. You will have to learn your math facts, but it will be so worth it. Now, there is a problem. We're also going to talk a little bit about elapsed time. And we can use our clocks, but I really like looking at time on a number line. For me, it's a little easier because sometimes I get mixed up on this. So, but if you have one of these, or if you have a clock at home that you want to mess around with, great. But I've set up our problem. It's 1:15, and the problem, let's see, is on Monday morning, the elementary had a fire drill 4 hours and 25 minutes after or before 1:15. I'm going to put PM. So 4 hours and 25 minutes. So we need to ask ourselves, where is that? Right here, between here and here, is 15 minutes. Then let's bump and jump back 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. But this is only 4 hours and 15 minutes, and they need 4 hours and 25 minutes. So it looks like we're gonna have to go back another 10 minutes right here. This is 10, and that would put us at 8:50. Now, when we know that this is 1:15 p.m., please remember to label 8:50 a.m. was when they had their fire drill. And there you have it. That's our lesson for today. Use a number line or a clock when you're working with time and what's happening between time points. Also remember that rather than adding and adding and adding and adding, you can use multiplication. And so we're on to some exciting things in our math. I will see you now at the practice set. Take care.